Hey guys, I apologize for the late post. This is a recording. I'm doing a recording for the assignment today for the interactive infographics within a website. This website is and if you want to go check it out, it's called Good Is, based on infographics for vitamins, right? As you have your quick intro. But what I really like is you go to the basics. So we're going to go here. As you see, the button is highlighted. You have that rollover effect, but it doesn't exactly roll over. It's just really the text, and the text box just highlights real quick. You have this information. You have this cool mapping of the body. We even have bacteria, the bacteria that are inside, or these are proteins. I mean, it's really cool. So we click on this, right, and instantly it'll change the information here. See right here as it's changing, it'll go from vitamin E. So now we're talking about vitamin C is present throughout the whole body in the unique interaction, and now, like, as you can see, it becomes an interactive infographic. It's animated and it's interacting with the user, and at the same time it's sharing the information. The information pops up in this grid right here, and as we can see, I can literally just click on the little list if I don't want to click on all these, even though it's fun. I kind of wish something would happen here. I'm not saying that's exactly a con to the infographic, but I kind of wish something happened here. But hey, they did a great job. The detail and even the graphics, it's really nice. I even like, you can see these little white speckled lines. So they really spent some time designing these little images before they made them animated and connect them to different links, whether using JavaScript or HTML5 through CSS3. They really did some cool things here. Like I said, you can just click on them and everything begins to change. Go over here. But however, now see, this is now not lighting up. So, okay, there it goes. So I had to kind of double click. So there's a con right there. Here, once you go in there, you kind of have to kind of double click. I think that's an issue. Maybe they could fix that so that's a little smoother transition. But hey, it still works. So now we have the green, and if we notice here, I think, yep. So even when it talks about the general cellular function, it changes colors to the color of the image. So that's really cool. As we can see here, now we're talking about the nervous system, right? So those are general functions. This is the nervous system, and now it's talking about all what these vitamins do. And actually, this information is really key. I like it's not. Now we're going back to the info part of this animated infographic. How it's interacting with the user, but the information is very key. It's very precise. It's not what I like to say contact explosion. I can actually learn really quick. Vitamin B6 is present throughout the whole body, but has a unique interaction with the nervous system. Now let's go down here. Vitamin C is present through the muscular skeleton system. The musculoskeletal system. So I really like this. This is really neat, and as you notice, as it continues to stay current, one thing I'd have to say is really good about this website, about Good Is, about Vitamins Atlas, the information is consistent. The colors change according to the color that I click on, and that I think is really pertinent. It's definitely. Every time I go back, I can obviously probably just click on this. Okay, so no, this takes me to another different form of infographic. So as I click on these, now it takes me to specific parts of the body. Now I got information. Look at this. So once again, look at this animation. It's really cool. So you got the vitamin D's going in. DNA is your body's instruction manual. Yes, I totally agree. Every cell has your entire set of DNA, but only needs to read a small part. So this is really cool, the animation. You can see how the vitamin D is now connecting and how we know that the DNA and vitamin D are connected. That's really cool. It's called a Borrelial bleaching. I think this is really cool. You can click on this. This is the digestive system of vitamin D. So it's just showing how our body actually receives and how it interacts with the vitamin itself. This is really cool. So you can just see these different animations. It's just mostly click and then you see the animation. But for me, that's good enough, and I can read the information and go, oh, wow, that's what's happening. I like it how it has a revolving animation, so it kind of comes back. And it's not enough, like you don't see that that jolt, but it's just enough that it almost looks smooth to the human eye. So I'd have to say, to close up my analysis on this website, I think it's very well done. I think the animations are very key. They're very smooth. There's only a few issues I had. Like here, they did a little better. See, now it's kind of glowing when I click on the button, but it doesn't look like, it's not like that for the basics. I hope you've enjoyed my analysis and my review on this website on Good Is, and if you want to go check it out, check out the link. Have a good one.